All right, you're going to want to pay attention to this because Google has just unleashed a massive, totally transformative update to its AI Studio. Seriously, if you thought AI development was already moving at the speed of light, well, Google just strapped a rocket to it.
And this one line from their announcement, man, it just says it all, doesn't it? Where the vibe becomes the code. It's a really bold claim, and in this explainer, we're going to unpack exactly what that means and, how it actually works.
And I really want to stress this point. This is not just a few new buttons or a fresh coat of paint. Nope. We are talking about a fundamental shift in thinking. One that's designed to make building with AI way more creative, way more intuitive, and just dramatically faster than anything we've seen before.
So, let's get right to the main event, the concept that's really at the heart of this entire update, something Google has dubbed vibe coding. So, what is it exactly? Well, think of it like this. Instead of getting bogged down meticulously tweaking lines and lines of code, you guide the AI's development process with vibes. You're directing the feel and the function of the application just by talking to it in plain English.
So, how does this play out in the real world? Okay, you start with a simple idea, right? Something like, hey, build me a travel planner app with voice input. Boom. The AI instantly spits out a working prototype. But here's where the magic happens. Instead of digging into the code, you just say, make the design more elegant, or add a friendlier chatbot. And just like that, the application refines itself, right there, right in front of your eyes. It's wild.
This is such a great way to think about it. The whole dynamic has changed. It's not just you barking orders at a machine anymore. It's a real creative partnership. The AI isn't just executing commands, it's actually understanding your creative intent, your style, to help you get to that finished product so much faster. Of course, all this vibe coding needs a home, right? And that home is the new unified AI playground. This is the foundational environment, the sandbox where all of this incredible new stuff is possible. And the biggest win here is just simplicity. No more fragmentation. You know how it used to be, right? Juggling a bunch of different windows for chat, for media, for testing. It was a mess. Now everything, and I mean everything, is integrated into one clean, single interface. And inside this playground, the builder itself has been supercharged. You can now visually connect all these different AI capabilities. You can literally drag a text prompt and link it to a video generator, and then link that to a live audio output. It's kind of like playing with Legos, but your building blocks are different forms of artificial intelligence. Now, it's not just about the workflow. The creative tools themselves have gotten a serious upgrade. So let's talk about generative media for a second, because Google has basically turned AI Studio into a mini movie studio. And the one new killer feature here is native audio generation. This is huge. It means that when the AI model Veo 3.1 creates a video, it also generates realistic, scene-matched audio to go with it. So if you ask for a video of waves crashing on a beach, you don't just see it, you hear the ocean. For realism, this is an absolute game changer. But it doesn't stop with the sound. Veo 3.1 also brings way better lighting, shadows, and physics, which makes every single frame just feel more real, more alive. You can now guide the AI with a reference image to match a style, you can extend short clips into longer, full-length scenes, and you can create smooth transitions between them. The level of creative control you have now is just staggering.
So, what's making all this possible? What's the engine under the hood? Well, it's the new Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview model, and it is built for speed, for efficiency, and for one really clever new trick.
And that trick is called adaptive thinking. Here's the brilliant part. The model can actually tell if your request is simple or complex. For the easy stuff, it gives you lightning-fast answers. But for the more complex problems, it kicks into a deeper, more methodical reasoning mode. So you get the best of both worlds. Speed when you need it, and raw power when it really counts. And hey, for all you developers watching, they didn't forget about you. There's a new Gen AI SDK for TypeScript and JavaScript, which makes it way easier for web devs to plug these models into their projects. The Live API also got an upgrade to include that native audio model, along with better function calling and speech handling.
Okay, so this is all really cool for experimenting, but what about building real stuff? Well, Google is making it crystal clear that the new AI Studio isn't just for playing around anymore. This is all about bridging that gap between a cool idea and a fully deployed application.
And this is a huge deal. The platform is now built to scale. What starts as a quick idea that you just vibe into existence can now actually grow and evolve into a robust, full-blown application, all without ever leaving the Google ecosystem.
And here's a perfect example of how they're making that happen. You can now go from that creative phase straight into a proper development environment. With just a few clicks, you can export your entire project to a Colab notebook, which creates a totally seamless handoff for developers to take over.
All right, so let's zoom out. What does all of this really mean? Why should this update matter to you, even if you're not a developer?
Well, it means that Google's AI Studio isn't just another tool or a playground anymore. It's become a complete end-to-end development universe. It's one single workspace where you can chat with an AI, build an app, create all the media for it, and then deploy it to the entire world.
Which brings us right back to this powerful idea. With tools like vibe coding, the barrier to entry for building with AI is just dissolving. It's becoming less about your ability to write perfect code and much more about the power of your creative vision. This could mean that the next wave of great AI developers won't just be coders. They could be designers, writers, artists, entrepreneurs, all building tools that we haven't even dreamed of yet.
And that really leaves us with this one big, provocative question. Are we actually witnessing the moment where creating a complex application becomes as simple and as intuitive as just writing a really good prompt? It sure feels like we're taking a giant leap in that direction.